Is back on in Becker today after a fire at a recycling plant forced the district to cancel classes.
Concerns about the air quality. Firefighters finally getting control of the flames at Northern Metal Recycling, but the junked cars have burned for 3 into 4 days now, raising health concerns among neighbors. This morning, we're talking about those concerns, trying to get answers. Christiane Cordero live in Becker this morning with pollution control experts. Good morning, Christiane.
Hey, Jason, good morning. So I'm here with Stephen Mikkelson, who's from the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. And Stephen, this has become a familiar sight and a familiar smell for all of us who have been up here for the past few days, and of course for the people who live up here in Becker and the Twin Cities and everywhere in between. Let's just start off broad scope. What is the concern here? What do we know about this level of pollution and what it does to our bodies?
Well, the concern is if folks are breathing in particulates that may be coming from this fire. With the cars, there's worries that there's rubber, plastic, maybe fluids related to automobiles. And if there's extended exposure, particulates can get into people's lungs and then lodge in there, and that can cause respiratory problems. This is not a real long exposure. I mean, it's several days, but yet it's been dissipating every day as we go. And as the wind blows, it blows farther and dissipates more and more. So long chronic exposures aren't a big problem, and real superficial testing that's been going on this week hasn't been showing real elevated levels to where people are real concerned, like evacuations and things like that. But
what does that, I know that there's been testing on soil, on water runoff, on the air itself. When it comes to the air specifically, it's such a wide range here. How does that testing process work?
There's a lot of equipment and machinery that's beyond my brain to understand what the names of them are, but basically it's equipment that, as the air comes in, it takes the air into these machines and analyzes what's in the air, any particulates, and then gives us some data. So then we'll send the data and get some results of what they found, and then the next step is for us, our science folks, to look at it and put some context to it, so we can tell people what these results actually mean.
And I understand we expect those results as soon as today. The only other question I have is, one thing we've known from the start, right, is that this has been burning tires, it's been burning plastics and releasing that into the air as those pollutions that you mentioned. The testing itself from MPCA's perspective didn't start until yesterday. Why did it take so long? And how do we know that the air quality, how did we know that the air quality was sufficient enough for kids to be in school, for people to be outside without those results coming back?
There were some initial assessments done on the first day, and then between then and yesterday, the state fire marshal had a crew from St. Cloud come in with some handheld machinery, and they went kind of around just into town by the schools just to get some readings to see what levels they're looking at. And again, they didn't notice any elevated levels that raised it to the concern of getting people out or anything, but rather just warning them that there is smoke in the air. If you're at risk with lung conditions or respiratory problems, be aware of it, stay indoors, limit your activity and things like that.
Yeah. Stephen, thank you so much for waking up early with us. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.